Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Sonos Era 300. So first of all, we need to unplug the power cable, so let's do this right now. It's located just right here, so let's grab it and remove. And then all we have to do is just to hold this Bluetooth button. It's located right here. We have to click and hold it and plug back the power cable. And we have to hold this button until indicators are right here, starts blinking orange and white, and then turns to the green. So let's do this right now. Let's hold this button, the Bluetooth button, and plug this power cord just right here. We have to keep holding, and right now it is actually blinking on the orange and the white, so we have to keep holding, and then it turns green. So it means that we successfully perform the hard reset and we removed the old connection system. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.